Hello students, be ready with the textbook. Today I will explain page number 97. Topic given here is factor tree. What is factor tree? Students, see that under this heading here we have given two diagrams. First look at the factor tree. Now you can make another tree like this. Before going to this topic, first of all we have to know about what is factorization or how we can make these composite numbers into prime numbers. Factorization means the last few classes I explained that when we find the factors of some numbers, we found that some numbers have only two factors and some numbers have more than two factors. The numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7. These numbers are coming in the tables of 1 and the number itself. Example 3. 3 is coming in the number table of 1 and in the table of 3 only. At the same way, 5 also coming in only in the 1's table and 5's table. Same way 7 also. 7 ones are 7 in the table of 1 and 7's table. These numbers are called prime numbers. The other numbers which are having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Here factorization means we are converting these composite numbers into prime factors or prime numbers. For if the prime numbers are first 2, the smallest prime number, next 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. This way the prime numbers are going. Now that we have to find how can we factorize these numbers. So factorization, first I will explain what is factorization. Factorization means finding the prime factors of a composite number. Here see 18 is a composite number. We are finding the prime factors of this 18. We can convert these numbers into prime factors. So finding the prime factors of a composite number is called a prime factorization. In the tree method, like a tree, like the branches of a tree, in this way also we can find the factors of a composite number. Here first one see 18 is a composite number. First we converted that number into 9 2. It is coming in the table of 9 and 2. 9 2s are 18. Here 2 is a prime number. Now that number we don't want to again convert into prime number because it is already a prime number. Now, but here 9 we got a composite number. Again this number we have to change to prime number. In which number table 9 coming? 3, table of 3. So we can convert the 9 into 3 3. 3 3s are 9. So we got the factors of or prime numbers of or prime factors of 18 is 2, 9, 3 and 3. Sorry, 9 not 2, 3, 3. So you multiply that factors. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So in this way we can convert any composite number into prime numbers. This is known as prime factorization. Now 18 is coming in another way also that I showed there. 2 9s are 18. First we made a factor tree in one method. The another method is 6 3s are also 18. 18 is coming in the table of 6 also. In 3's table also it is coming. So in this way also we can make the factor tree of 18. First I converted that number into 6 3s are 18. 3 is prime number or prime factor. Next 6 is converting to 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. In this way also we can make the factor tree of 18. So what is factorization? Factorization means the method of finding factors of a composite number into prime numbers. So prime numbers means there are only two factors. That means we have to, the method is first one, write the number as the product of pairs of factors. Here 18 we written first as 9 2. So 9 2s are 18. First we have to write the number as the product of two composite numbers or two numbers. So 9 2s are 18. And after that the prime number we have to leave it the same way. Again if there is composite number, that number also again we have to convert into prime numbers. This is the method to factorizing the composite numbers. Now when we are converting, find out the composite numbers and prime numbers. Prime numbers, leave it there as it is, and again if there is composite number, then that number also again converting into prime factorization. This way we can find the prime factors of all the composite numbers. Now here we have given another 3 boxes here. In how many ways can you draw a factor tree for 24? Draw 3 of them in the given box. Here in this box it is very difficult to draw that's why I have showed it in another space just below it. See, first of all we have to find in which tables 24 coming. We know that 12 2s are 24. After that 8 3s are 24. Then it's coming in the table of 6 4s are 24. So in these 3 type factor tree we can make. First I have taken 12 2. See that 24. 24 is converted into first 12 into 2. The product of 12 and 2. 12 2s are 24. Here 2 is prime number. Then we have to convert the composite number 12 only. Converting into 6 2. 6 2s are 12. Then again we got one more prime number. Then there 6 only remaining composite number. That 6 again we are converting to prime numbers, prime factors. So 6 is 2 into 3 is 6. So what are the factors of 24? The prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2, 3. So we can write 24 equals 2 into 2 into 3 equals 24. In this way we can write. Now the another type of factor tree I have made here. 8 3s are 24. Here also 24 is the product of 8 and 3. 8 3s are 24. 3 is a prime factor. Now we have to convert 8 only. 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 is prime factor. Now we have to convert 4 into prime factors. 2 2s are 4. So we can write 24 as this way. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the another way of finding the factors of prime factors of 24. Now the third one, 6 4s are 24. It's coming in the table of 6 and 4. Product of 6 and 4. Here both 6 and 4 are composite numbers. We have to convert both the numbers into prime numbers. 6, 3 2s are 6, 4 equals 2 2s are 4. So what are the prime factors of 24 here? 2, see 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. In any way we do, we will get the same answer. The answer, the prime factors or factorization of 24 equals 2 into 2 into 3. Otherwise 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. In this way only, any way we do, we will get the same answer. Now here we are asked to try drawing the factor tree using the other numbers also. They have not given the number. We have to select some numbers and do like this way. Make the factor tree of that numbers. That I will show you some of the numbers factor tree. First I took the number 45. How can we make the factor tree for 45? 45 coming in the tables of 9 5s are 45, 1 into 45 45, 45 into 1 45, then 15 3s are 45. In many tables it is coming, but I took one example. 9 5s are 45. How can we make 9 5s 45 into factors of 9 and 5? 5 is the prime number, so no need to convert it. Now 9 we have to convert, it is a composite number. 3 3s are 9. In this way we can convert the 45 into prime factors, or prime factorization of 45 equals 3 into 3 into 5. The next number I took 60. 60 we can convert in this way. 10 6 are 60. There are many 60 coming in many tables. 30 into 2 60, 10 6 are 60, 20 into 3 60, 4 into 15 60, 12 5s are 60, 30 into 2 60. But I am showing here 10 into 6. How can we convert 60 into prime factors? 10 6 are 60. So 10 6 and 10 we have to convert into prime factors. 10 we can convert into 2 5s are 10, and 6 we can convert to 3 2s are 6. So what are the factors of prime factors of 60? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now I took a small number 12. 12 we can convert into 4 3s are 12. for 12 also coming in different tables. 6 twos are 12, 4 threes are 12, 12 ones are 12, 1 twos are 12. In all these tables 12 coming, but I took 4 into 3 as a product of 4 and 3. 4 threes are 12, so 3 is a prime number. Again we have to convert 4 into prime factors, that is 2 twos are 4. So what are the prime factors of 12? 3 into 2 into 2. In this way we can convert all the composite numbers into prime factors. These are the some examples I showed here. Now we will move to the next topic in this page, tiling problems. In this tiling problem, we have to do some word problems related to the factors and multiples of this lesson. So I will read the story. What is the first question we have given? There is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden, there is a path. They decided to tile the path using the tiles of 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. The mason has not cut any of the tiles. Then here question is, what is the shortest length of the path? In Anu's house there is a garden, there is a path. They decided to tile the path. The mason tiled the path using 2 feet tiles, 3 feet tiles and 5 feet tiles. The mason did not cut the tiles. So here question is, what is the shortest length of the path? Students see 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. To find the shortest length of this path, we have to find the shortest common multiple of these three measurements, 2, 3 and 5. Shortest multiple, that is shortest common multiple means lowest common multiples. That we know that LCM of these three numbers we have to find. How can we find the LCM of these three numbers? First we have to write the multiples of 2, multiples of 3 and multiples of 5. Multiples of 2 are up to 30. I have written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. Now multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If you want write, we can 35, 40, 45, 50, 60 up to 50 we can write. So among these you find the common multiples Find the 12 is in the table of 2, multiples of 3 also, but 12 is not in 5. Next one is 15. 15 is there in multiples of 3 and multiples of 5, but 15 is not in the multiple of 2. But we need the common multiple of all these three numbers. That means 2, 3 and 5. Now then we found that 30 is the common multiple in all these three numbers. So we can write the answer that the shortest length of the path is the shortest common multiple of these three numbers. Shortest common multiple LCM. LCM is here 30. So we can write the shortest length of this path is 30 feet because 2 feet tiles they have used, 3 feet tiles used, 5 feet tiles also used. So common multiple is 30. So the shortest length of this path is LCM of these three numbers, that is 30 feet. Now the remaining topic I will explain on the next time.